Hello friends, in this video I am going to talk about 5 biotin rich foods you can eat to promote hair growth. The first food in our list is eggs. Eggs are known as one of the best biotin rich foods and they are beneficial for your hair development. Eggs are rich in vitamin A, vitamin E, vitamin D, B, iodine, folic acid, iron, phosphorus, selenium and protein. Number 2. Nuts. For those who want to consume biotin for healthy hair and nails, nuts are a good choice. A variety of nuts like almonds, peanuts, hazelnuts, cashew nuts, and walnuts provide the body with biotin. Number 3. Legumes. Legumes are another excellent source of biotin, especially green peas. Peas have 40 microgram of biotin per 100 grams when fresh and 70 microgram when dried. The fourth biotin-rich food is salmon. Salmon is a good source of biotin. If you are eating salmon, you will reduce the risk of high blood pressure, arthritis, diabetes, depression, and asthma. The fifth and last food in our list is avocados. Avocados are perfect food if you want to supply more fiber, protein, minerals, vitamins, and biotin. They are good choice due to healthy fat and full nutrients for your body growth, especially for your hair.